Now let us start off with question number 12. Minus 4x square minus 7x is equal to minus 36. What is the positive solution to the given equation? So what we can do here is we can first add 4x square and 7x to each side of the equation so that we can get rid of the negative values. So minus 4x square minus 7x is equal to minus 36. But we will add 4x square and 7x to both sides. That could be our first step. So what will happen? This will go to the other side of the equation and we will have 4x square plus 7x minus 36, and this is equal to 0 because this side we will be left with just 0. The left hand side I move to the right hand side and right hand side to the left hand side. So we will try to solve this quadratic. So in quadratics we need to take the middle number and the product of a and c. The product of a and c in this case is 4 times minus 36 is minus 144. We need to look for two numbers whose sum is 7 and product is negative 144. So those two numbers will be plus 16 and negative 9, because if you add 16 with negative 9 you will get a plus 7, and if you multiply 16 with negative 9 you will get a minus 144. And in case you don't know the method, actually you have to factor the 144. 2 times 7 is 14, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 6 is 12, and like this, and then by trial and error we have to figure out the two factors. 3 times 4 is 12 and 2 times 2 is 4. Then we have to take various different numbers. In this case, this 4 times 4 is 16 we will take, and then 9 we will take. So these two we combine and get 16, and then 3 times 3 is 9, and then various others will come, various other possibilities, but we have to choose the one which gives a difference of plus 7. That's why we chose 16 and negative 9, because the product of 16 and negative 9 will give this negative 144, which is needed in this case. So after that we will do 4x square plus 16x minus 9x minus 36 is equal to 0. From the first two terms we can get the 4x common, then we will have x plus 4, and from the next two terms we will take out the negative 9 common, so then again we will have x plus 4, and then we will have 4x minus 9 times x plus 4 is equal to 0. That means one solution will be 4x minus 9 is equal to 0 and another will be x plus 4 is equal to 0. So the first one, 4x is equal to 9 if you add 9 to both sides, which also means that x is equal to 9 by 4. This is a positive solution. But if you subtract 4 on both sides, here we will get x to be negative 4. Now let us see what the question wants us to solve for. It wants the positive solution. So out of 9 by 4 and negative 4, clearly we can see that the plus 9 by 4, that is the solution. That means choice B is correct in this case. So here this question is about solving the quadratic equation negative 4x square minus 7x minus 36. So the strategy which you have learned to solve, in this case by factoring and bringing all the numbers to the positive side, and then factoring so that we get, the sum to be plus 7 and product to be minus 144. That strategy you can use to solve for the quadratic.